Morning, everybody. Today is Monday. We are going to take the car to Meticulous Detail and get the paint correction and ceramic coat. And there's two little bitty, I don't know if you guys can see it, hold on. When I was cleaning the car, I found two little dings. Little bitty dings. Look, check it out. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go up and down, and then when the camera's bigger, because right now I'm on the GoPro, when the camera's bigger, you may be able to see it. But there's two little, like tiny little indents, tiny, super tiny. And we're gonna see if we can get those PDR'd. We can see if we can get those PDR'd at a decent price. I know the guy can do it, but now I have to slide over. I really have limited space. Look, guys, check this out. The other way, when we were reversing, I could just get in the driver's side that side. Look at this. I don't want to hit the M3, so I can't just like slide up in there because I'm fat. So I have to climb over the fucking seats, and this is the pickle. You know what I'm saying? Car looks clean though. But let me go ahead and slide my fat ass over, and then we'll get on the road. Get this thing fucking warmed up. Actually, I could just pop this shit right now. That's how I did it the other day. Shit up. Side skirts and the front bumper, I'm not going to ceramic coat or paint correct. They're going to try to just clean it up as much as possible. Well, I think they are going to paint correct it too, but they're not going to ceramic coat it because there's a lot of rock chips and things like that. Same thing with the side skirts. As far as the side skirts and the front bumper, I want to take them off. I'm going to take them off and get them repainted and refinished and all that stuff so that they look correct, so they're proper. But what I'm asking you guys is, on this color with the bronze wheels, for me, I believe that carbon fiber would be too much. I don't think it would go together. I think it would be too gaudy. I would prefer to stay with a painted OE side skirt, or even if I was to get carbon fiber, I would paint this shit. But the front bumper itself, I'm going to go back with a 2010 OG bumper, which is the same bumper, and just get it cleaned up. But do you guys think that I should put carbon fiber lip in the front and carbon fiber side skirts? Because I'm definitely not doing nothing in the rear. I want it, the way the rear is, that's how I want it to stay. I personally do not want carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber, on side skirts or the front bumper. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below, please. So my dumbass decided to take a back road route to get to the outside of Corpus, and look where it's got me going. Like, it's some country ass, it's literally a county road, and that thing has potholes for days. I think this is where all the freaking big tractors come through to do all the laying. See, look, big ass tractors over there. Holy shit, man. I'm white knuckling it, trying to make sure that I don't hit no fucking massive ass potholes. First popo of the day. Did not even turn his head to the left. Too busy on his fucking phone. Good job. I'm about 2 minutes away from the place. I'm about 15 minutes late, but it is what it is. Got the donk here. Oh. We're sitting on what, like 200 spoke? That shit is fire. Shit, we need one of these, boy. My wife would kill me if I got this shit. Hell yeah. So I got everything lined out. Should get that guy a call for the PDRs, for those dent removals. But other than that, we should be getting the car back Wednesday with everything ceramic coated up unto like just above those rock chips. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order the paint pens and then see if I can get that stuff like kind of filled in, cleaned up, and just kind of get it, you know, so it's not such an eyesore. But other than that, the whole car is going to get ceramic coated. We are going to try to get the PDRs. Hopefully they give me the car back Wednesday, is the day before Thanksgiving, and I got to go to work Saturday, so that'll be perfect timing. They're going to do the tail lights, the plastics, everything. They're going to do all the plastics as well. This is the type of ceramic coating that I'm getting, the Kenzo IGL coating. Supposedly this is like the highest grade one. You ready, Nani?
Yeah.
Say, go fast, Mom.
Go fast, Mom.
Crazy, Mama. Mom's not even going fast. She thinks her car, she thinks we're going fast because we changed the air intake. So now it sounds, go. It just has a little bit of noise. And the baby thinks that we're going warp speed.
And me.
And you. Holy crap, does the car look freaking amazing. I'm just gonna let it warm up and I'm gonna pull off to the side because there's a lot of people talking over here. And I don't want anybody to feel awkward. I don't want to get anybody on camera that doesn't want to be on camera. But the car looks amazing. They were able to get a lot of the freaking deposit that was off the bumper, the front part of the bumper in between where the intercooler is and the grille. There was a lot of black stuff right there. I don't know if I showed it on video, but it was really, really rough, and it was really coarse, and that's why I went and bought that that freaking clay bar thing, because I was going to try to use it, but I didn't use it because I was just figuring the worst. I was figuring that it was actually imperfections in the paint, but they were able to get a lot of it out, man. I'm going to show you guys right now. Pull over here. Alright, so look how clean this damn thing looks. Insane. Amazing, man. They did all the plastics as well. Treated all the plastics. The windows, look how shiny they are, man. The hood is perfect. What I was talking about was right here, I had a whole shit ton of, like, it looked like black. And he thought it was iron, so they were gonna have to clay bar it and do like iron removal and all that stuff. But he said once they started clay barring it, everything started coming out. And now it is like silky smooth, man. But freaking killed it, man. I did end up getting a paint pen so we can try to fix some of this. They stopped the paint correction right here, or not the paint correction, but the ceramic coat right here, so that once I get all this filled in, if it looks good enough, they will I can bring the car back and they'll freaking touch it all up. Oh, man. And then I had to get PDR, which I had two little bitty dings, which I showed you guys before. They were right here, tiny little dings, and they're out perfect. Man, the car looks freaking amazing. Oh, and then right here on the bumper, I thought it was the heat burning off the paint. It was just soot, because you see how close the exhaust is? See how it's fogging up? See how it's fogging up? There was a lot of soot right here. So once they freaking did the clay bar, all that soot came off. And now look how good it looks. The car looks amazing, man. Freaking amazing. All the plastics are done. Windows, plastics, everything. All in all, great experience. These guys are awesome, man. Good communication. They kept in contact with me every day, letting me know like just updates, details. Anytime something changed, like with the soot on the backside, they let me know that that was coming off. Then I didn't know about the front bumper until I looked at it right now, and man, like I said, that was a game changer, because that's what really bugged me on the bumper. Not the little chips so much. I mean, I understand I want the car perfect, but I knew that the chips were there when I bought the car, right? The iron or the black stuff that was inside there, I didn't know so much. And then once they were able to get all that off, man, it made a huge difference. Insanely impressed. These guys killed it, like I said. I'm definitely going to be bringing the Tahoe back, and I do plan on bringing the BMW here, getting them to detail it and see if it's clean enough for them to ceramic coat as well. So the plan is to do the Tahoe, do the BMW as well, and then I want to wrap the Super Duty. I definitely want to wrap the Super Duty. And what I'm thinking is I want to do that Dolph camo. I always wear camo all the time. I was in the military. I'm not saying that that's the reason why, but I was in the military and I've always worn camo. I wear camo shorts all the time. I have like 12 pairs of camo pants, whether they be desert or freaking woodland. I wear camo every freaking wear. But I want to Dolph camo my Super Duty, and I think that would be sick. So heading back to the house. Well, first I'm gonna go get fuel. I need to go get fuel, and I don't think, if I'm going to work, I don't want to just leave E85 sitting in the tank. So maybe I'll just leave 93 in it and then wait till I get back to put 85 in it. But man, I'm super impressed with the car. I love the way it came out. Follow me on Instagram, man. The link is down below in the description, and I'll be posting pictures of it. Well, you'll see better pictures of it, stills. And dude, to me the car just looks freaking sick, dude. A lot of the stuff that I thought was gonna have to be, or was imperfections with the paint, is actually not imperfections with the paint. Here at the gas station, gonna put like, I don't know, $5 or $10 in of 93. Put a couple gallons of 93 in this thing, and then should be good to be parked. Man, look how freaking clean the car is, man. Boy, it looks good. I can't get over how clean the front part of that bumper came. Fire. What's 93 right now? $379. I believe it's about $1 cheaper for E85 in Corpus, but like I said, we're gonna put about $10 of this, just put a few gallons. That way when I come back, I can put some E85 in, and we'll be driving the car around. As for right now, car's just gonna sit. I don't want no E85 just sitting. Got that sweet shit right there, boy. Right where you gotta fucking select shit on the screen. It's right there. Bird's a savage, bro. Damn, I seriously cannot get over how shiny this damn car is. Especially the windows, man. Windows look insane with that 5% tint, and then the ceramic coating looks insane. Definitely well worth the price. Thank you. Yes, sir.